How to create a database username in cPanel. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Go to the Databases section and click MySQL Databases. Scroll down to the MySQL Users section. Enter the username of the new user you want to add. cPanel automatically adds a prefix with the entered username. You can enter the password manually or generate passwords automatically. To generate a password, click Password Generator. Copy the generated password and save it in a safe place. Now click to check the box after saving the password and then click the Use Password button. The generated password is very strong. Click the Create User button. That's it. We have successfully created a new user. Thank you for watching.